Matthew Joseph Marcos Manotoc, born December 9, 1988, is a Filipino politician and athlete who is currently serving as the Vice Governor of Ilocos, Norte, since 2025. He previously served as the governor of the same province from 2019 to 2025. He was a senior provincial board member from the 2nd Legislative District of Ilocos Norte from 2016 to 2019. He is a member of the Marcos political family. His maternal grandfather, Ferdinand Marcos, was a former president and dictator of the Philippines. His mother, Amy Marcos, currently serves as a senator, while his maternal uncle, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos, is the sitting president. The family of Bongbong Marcos present during his presidential inauguration. Manotoc was born on December 9, 1988, as the youngest son of Amy Romualdez Marcos and Tommy Manotoc. His parents were in exile in Morocco at the time of his birth, reportedly using false passports. In 2006, he moved to the United States to study psychology at Claremont McKenna College. He later attended a short course in sports management at the University of California, Los Angeles in 2014 and a short course in management development at the Asian Institute of Management in 2017. In 2018, he took a short course in harnessing organizational and individual capacities for excellent services in local government units at the University of the Philippines, Diliman. In 2021, he pursued an executive course in agricultural development at Mariano Marcos State University in Batac. In 2023, he attended the Stanford Graduate School of Business at the National University of Singapore. Manotoc is the grandson of Ferdinand Marcos and former First Lady Imelda Marcos. His uncle, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., is the current president of the Philippines since 2022. Manotoc is both a golfer and a basketball player. He was a basketball coach at the International School Manila and a co-founder of Espiritu Manotoc Basketball Management. In 2019, it was reported that he was dating Miss Earth 2014 Jamie Harrell. In 2025, they became engaged. In a Facebook post, Manotoc said he was shocked that Senator Marcos was included in the recent fiery statements of the vice president, considering that his mother has been a loyal friend and supporter to Sarah for many years. Manotoc was referring to Duterte's remarks wherein she supposedly told Senator Marcos that she would personally dig up the body of former President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and throw it into the West Philippine CWPS if attacks against her do not stop. In my few interactions with VP Sarah, she was always friendly and professional. It's very disheartening to see her making things personal. As many say, this is just politics Manotoc's post read. I hope VP Sarah finds peace and we wish her well, he ended. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who is Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.